Hey everybody, welcome back to the farm. As y'all can see here, got a little something that we hardly ever get here in South Carolina, a little bit of white rain. We're easing over here to check on the cows, make sure everything looks all right. It's 27 degrees this morning. I'm supposed to get to the teens tonight, so whatever moisture is left, I definitely freeze hard tonight. But y'all come along and see if we see something interesting out here. The roads ain't near as bad as I remember them in the past being, from little snow and ice, but they've been putting salt out and stuff or something out all week, because last weekend they was calling for it and we missed it. I think they're calling for it again next weekend already. Pretty and white. Bet it be bright when that sun comes out. I don't think it's supposed to come out today though. I don't think it's supposed to get much above freezing today, if any, above freezing. It started out yesterday afternoon about 4:30 as freezing rain and went about on and off with sleet and freezing rain till about 10:30 last night. Then we got the snow. No power outage though, that's the main thing. We was fortunate and blessed. Glad that the power stayed on, and if anybody's, whoever the power is out, well, maybe they'll get y'all back going soon. Let's get up here and see if we see some cows out in the snow. Looking out here, see if we see any. Way back there at the back. You see some back there at the hay. Weird how there's certain spots that I can remember on this road from 7-8 years ago. You know, each time you get a little bit of weather, the same spots on the road have the slick spots on it, or whatever happens, accumulate bags, whatever it does.